Alright guys, I'm back again. Just showing you another special little collection I have here. So here I have my snap-on ratchet little collection that I personally have. I have other ratchets, but these are my snap-on ones. And I keep these at home with me. So here I have a brand new set, 3/8 and a 1/4 inch red handle flex head snap-on ratchets. I'll get to that in a second. These are brand new. I've never used this one, this 1/4 inch one. Never used it. I just like looking at them sometimes. This one I used twice. I like it. The length is good. The way it flexes. I like it. It's a good ratchet, no doubt. No doubt. That length is amazing. Like I said, these two, one I never used, one I used twice. They came with that 3/8 drive new socket set. You can see it's still in the plastic. I've never used this. 8 to 19 millimeter. Brand new chromes. I don't know when I'm gonna bust those out. And then here, these are the workhorse ones. These I use. I love the yellow, the high visual. Great when you're doing mechanic work, especially outside or on the side, and you just see these, the yellow, you just stands out. Love the high vis. This is a 1/4 flex. Great ratchet. Then I got the 3/8. Now this one has that great feature of, I don't even know what they call that, but man, sometimes when you're working in tight areas, just being able to change that or leave it loose, and hard to demonstrate like this, but just using it like that is, in combination with the ratcheting, is very unique. Great ratchet. I've used this a lot, and it doesn't want to lock back in. That's all right, we'll do that later. Another awesome ratchet. Love the soft handle on the green. Use this one a lot as well. Just a great 3/8 standard ratchet. Then I have my 3/8 impact. 10 to, this one goes to 18. Yep. Metric set. Like I said, 10 to 18. Skips one size, I forget. 14, 13, 12, 15. There we go. There's no 16. Hate that when they do that, but yeah. Then I got the standard that came with it. Standard sizes, 3/8, 7/16, half, 9/16, 5/8. They got some dirt on them because I use them. I got some dirt on them. 11/16, 3/4. Yep. So, just my little snap-on ratchet collection. Like and subscribe.